If your AEG dishwasher suddenly stops mid-cycle and throws up that annoying i30 error, don't panic, because today I'm going to walk you through the easiest, most reliable way to fix it right at home. No technician, no complicated tools, just a simple step-by-step guide. So stay with me till the end, because one quick mistake can actually make the problem come back. Let's get right into it. The i30 error code on AEG dishwashers means one thing: the flood protection sensor has detected water in the base tray. Basically, your dishwasher thinks there's a leak somewhere, so it shuts down to protect itself. This can be caused by a leaking hose, a damaged door seal, a crack in the tub, or even a faulty inlet valve that keeps letting water in, even when the machine is off. Now, why does this happen? Inside the dishwasher, there's a small tray at the bottom with a float sensor. When excess water collects there, the float rises and triggers the i30 error. So our job is to remove that trapped water, dry the tray completely, and stop the leak that caused it. First things first, safety. Unplug your dishwasher completely. Never work on the appliance with power connected. Next, we need to drain the water from the base tray. Slide the dishwasher out from under the counter. Once it's free, gently tilt it backward at about a 45-degree angle. You'll likely see water dripping out. This is exactly what we want. Let it drain for a few minutes. Then use a towel or sponge to soak up any leftover moisture inside the tray. Now that the tray is empty, let's look for the source of the leak. Check the door seal. If it's worn or cracked, it needs replacing. Inspect the hoses. Loose clamps or small holes are common culprits. Finally, examine the underside for any cracks or damaged parts. Tighten what's loose and replace anything that's worn out. If the issue isn't a visible leak, it could be a faulty inlet valve letting in water non-stop. A bad valve should be replaced, but as a temporary workaround, you can simply turn off the water supply after each cycle until you get a replacement. Once everything is dry and fixed, plug the dishwasher back in. In most cases, the i30 error clears automatically once the flood sensor resets. And that's it. Quick, simple, and effective. If this guide helped you fix your dishwasher, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy home repair tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.